Hi, if you need to install apps on your iPhone 16, then you'll need to go in the App Store. This App Store you can find on the homepage or in the app library just in these folders because it's a default app and it must be here. You can also use the search bar to type in App Store and you would see it in the top hit. If you cannot find it anywhere, then maybe you have some restrictions in the parental control feature, so I suggest you to check this feature in the settings. And now let's open this app, and the first thing we can see is the sections on the bottom of the screen. We have here today, games, apps, arcade, and search. So if you know which app you want to install, you can use this search bar and type in the name of this app manually. For example, let's install TikTok. So if you have installed this app earlier before, you would see this cloud icon, but if not, you would see this button Get. So let's just tap this cloud icon, and now as you can see I need to enter my Apple account password, or in your case it can be just Face ID or your iPhone's password. So let me just quickly type in my password and get back to you. And now after entering the password we can see that the app starts downloading, and now we can open it and use it. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.